flood of 2021. The water's supposed to go out over there, but I guess we got a lot of rain and it ain't keeping up. Opening ditches up, flood of 2021. All right, so we got one crossing cleaned out. Now we go on to another one where it's running across the road. All right, gotta open the pipe up. Oh, it's going now. Oh, got it gushing.
Got a rock washed out through there.
Whoa! Look at that, Bo.
It's like a two right here. Yeah, it's open. It's open. Great. Give me that, honey, because it's very close.
All right, I think that's the last ditch we had to open up. All right, leaf cleanup about done, 2021. So they're finishing opening this up, which is down by the playground up here at camp. You can see how the water's backed up right there, mainly just because of the leaves. We went through trying to open everything up. So while they're having fun playing in the rain, I'm gonna stay under this umbrella. Let them finish getting these leaves. You can see how they're getting them out, and as they're getting them out, it's breaking everything up and it's slowly coming down through. Now, I'm not saying that we ain't gonna have to go back through here in an hour and open up a little bit more, but see the water's flowing pretty good. A bunch of this work was done with the 120 down here. This was all 120 work. All the way up to, see if I can get the pipe here. That pipe right there, and right across the other drive, that was all 120 work. Then from there on, was all the 304. We used Dirt Perfect's 304 to dress all this up. So you can see right here where it clogged the pipe and washed out a little bit of the drive. Ain't no big deal. Not near as bad as it could have been, but got it all opened up. See the water flowing there. See it gushing out there. So that's all a big plus. There it's coming down the hill. Another big area, you can see we got a little pile of leaves that are right there. Well, we got carried most of them out, but this whole area right here, from right here all the way over, that was all leaves. And boy, when we opened it up, the water was gushing there. So we got this one cleaned out. Now from here on up, the ditches we put in were all with the 304, which these are doing real good. Still got leaves in them, but you ain't got water running anywhere, so that's a big plus. And backside ditch up by our driving range is running real good, which it did clog up right here. We had to clean this out. I did not get no video of it. It's before I started taking videos. But we got a perf pipe that runs under, comes out right over here. It's running, so that's a plus. Then up here, we got another pipe that we laid under the rock, and it's soaking in and taking off real good. So we had to clean some leaves out up here where it was washing over. And we were nervous about this next pipe. Didn't know if 6 inch was gonna be enough, but it was just enough. We put a 6 inch scheduled 40, or maybe an 80, I can't remember, pipe in right here, which I'm glad we didn't go any smaller. What I did on this pipe is, you can't see here, but I coped that back, so it was kind of sloped, so it opened it up a little bit more. Just want to be extra safe. See it shooting out there. If you look down through the woods, I'll zoom in for you. There's a little waterfall we made. It's taking all this water from up on the hills, the cliffs, takes all that water down through there, and that's where it shoots out, which we're working our way down there. Got one spot right here, ain't bad. We didn't do anything here, may ditch it a little better right here. That way the water will stay off the road, but you can kind of see it ain't too bad, so I'm not too worried about that. And then this was all done with the Mini, the 304, putting this ditch in here, which turned out great. Working as planned. You can see the water running off the hillside there. 2 different spots. Get up here. This is where one of the next projects I want to do is I want to put a waterfall in. Do a stair-step rock ledge coming down through here, and then also straight down through there. So you can see I think it'll look real pretty with you can kind of see how it runs over the rocks. Put a stair-step ledge in, I think that looked real good. And right here, definitely. This one needs to be a big one, but I think this one right here, I gotta be it right there. That's gonna be the good one. But you can kind of look what we got. Got more cloggage. Might have to get down here and open up. We got pipe that comes out right here. And this is a lot of water. This is about 6 inches of water. This has got a relief spillway on it right here. But that pipe is right in here. Gotta find it. There it is. Got that opened up now. Now that should all take that water a little bit better. But you can see that is a gusher. So it's coming. Here is the waterfall. All right, problem we had here. We had to take some emergency rocks stacked right here because our little waterfall ain't taking it. What we did is we poured a little swell in here with creek rock and concrete mix, and it's everything it takes. I mean, it's taking all it can. But then this is the waterfall we put in. This was all with the 304. I got some pictures I may share with this video. We put this little retaining wall in here, but you can see how the water's coming around. It ain't supposed to, so we're gonna have to build a bigger swell right there. Right there, we need a bigger swell. That way, it'll take the water and it don't run around. This is our spillway pipe right here, which you can see that's an 8-inch pipe, and we've still got about 3 inches before it runs over that. So that pipe's taking all it can take. And this was something else that was put in with the 304. But you can see it running out. It runs down into a little swell we got right down there, kind of like a catch basin. So overall, I think everything is holding up the way we expect it, especially with 4.5, 5 inches of rain overnight. You can see the water quit running over here. You can see it swirling right there. So that pipe now is taking that water, but it's just gonna have to be watched over the next couple hours. Yeah, little pond looks pretty good full like this. Now I'm gonna show you the one. What it is it's our basically like our secondary spillway. Got the spillway pipe supposed to take it, but we ain't had this much rain since we put this in. Right here you can kind of see the water is running across the drive pretty good, a lot more than we want it to. But this is our emergency spillway right here, which is the back side of my cabin. You can see it here where it's running out across the drive. But what we are gonna do is all this is gonna get raised up 3 inches anyways. But yeah, this is kind of like our emergency spillway here. So kind of give you an update up here at camp. Then you got the mighty Ohio River there. My gosh. I wish I was an ant on a kayak right now. This would be a really good time. And then this is the lot we leveled off. We had the Volvo up here to level this all off. So this is our little gathering spot. And there's the old mighty Ohio. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one.